Do not repeat this mistake after listening to this voice today. This is a life changing testimony I want to share with my family. Guys, if you have a small business or you are selling anything and you have an honest person, somebody who came to review your product, this person, you did not know this person from anywhere. It's not your friend, it's not your family member. This is a total stranger who bought your product, who bought your service, and they genuinely came back to give you a review. But because this review is just one, but because the review is just 5 people, 3 people, 2 people, 10 people who are reviewing your product, you are kind of shy to share your progress. Let me tell you, this sometimes you can feel that way because of the kind of people you are watching on the social media. They are showing you a lot of what receipts, a lot of results, a lot of reviews, and you feel like, mine is just a little, mine is just one, mine is just 10, so I don't think this is going to matter. This matters, guys. These matters. This dawned on me recently when my honest review, bias, people that I do not know from anywhere, total strangers who bought my product, came back, bought my product, and this time around, for some reason, they were all just giving me reviews. And I personally contacted them and I like, guys, what's happening? And they're honestly telling me what my products are doing to them, that my products are changing their lives. And I was like, so all this while, why didn't I even contact them? Why didn't I even show, tell people about this? And I just woke up from a sleep. And I know a lot of business owners here, a lot of small business owners here on my platform, and you might be feeling the same way. And you might be thinking that these, 1 or 2 reviews does not matter. Let me tell you, if one of you, if one person, if you can solve one total stranger's problem with your service, with your product, that means that this product, is a sign. Let me put it this way, it's a sign that there are thousands of people, millions of people out there who needs this product. It is just that you do not have the right group of people. It is just that your product do not have that, that exposure to this type of people who needs this product. So that's a sign to tell you that I need to do something about my product. This is the time for you to now introduce your product to what, to other people, like a lot of people, putting yourself out there on social media, because now social media is the best place to market and advertise your product, advertise yourself, tell people, show the people behind the scene and let them know the ingredients in there, let them see how the process is, let us see the final product. If there's something for them, they will reach out and they might even ask you if you can formulate, based on their needs. So guys, this winter, this is one of my winter bestseller. It is 2 products: the turmeric scrub and then this cream here. But this cream, recently I have made some changes when it comes to ingredients, because getting some of my ingredients these days are not easy for me. Whenever I contact my supplier, they will tell me they are out, as they're sold out. So I need some, natural ingredients that are also effective and that can help, my business. So I have made some changes, some small changes here. One of the ingredients, but it's giving me, I don't know, it's just the best decision I've made for that, substitute or substitution of that ingredient. And today I'm just taking you through how those products are made. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Rose Keldy. If you are old here, thank you for coming back. And guys, let's just enjoy this ingredients that are in this video. I already have a recipe for this for those who have joined my membership. But guys, those who are in my membership, if you need the new recipe, or even if you are not part of my membership and you need the new recipe, let me know in the comment section. If I will, if I want to give this as a Christmas gift, because Christmas is already at the corner and I want to do something for my people. So if it is something that you guys want the recipe, let me know in the comment section. So as I was saying, you know mm, for for some time now I have been concentrating on building my community, that is the digital platform. So I do not have much time to make videos. I do not have much time for my physical product. But guys, we are back. Okay, we are back. And this is one of the videos that I've made so far, behind the scenes video for this cream. This is the cream that I normally make for winter. It is great product. I have a lot of butters in here, 3 different butters for that moisture, natural moisture for our skin. And then I have the best oils, I think 3 different oils as well. And then the remaining ones are just water and other how do we call it, other ingredients as well. The reason why this cream was formulated, that I came about this cream, was because when I first came to Norway, we all know that Norway is a very dry and cold country. I never had any cream that was suitable for my skin. No matter what I used, I was still itch. I will be scratching my skin like somebody who doesn't bath. Okay, and the type of job I was doing was a moving job. I was lifting. I was feeling. I was working at a cosmetics shop, so there's a lot of movement in my body. I'll go and pick up products. I'll come and arrange products. I sell products. I stand at the casa to take customers and all that, and my body will be itching. Have used all the creams unless I use one pharmaceutical product that was working for me and it was expensive. I have to wait when they're on sales, then I will go and get those cream. But I decided, when I started learning formulation, I decided to formulate something that suits my skin, as a mature skin, and also as somebody who was struggling from itching due to dryness. And then this was the best formulation for me. The butters in there, the oils, and then the hydrosols, and then the water, the vitamin E. It's just perfect for anybody who wants that moisture, that natural ingredients that will give her that maximum moisture, especially in the dry seasons, in the cold time. And also, you feel brighten and you feel glowing, you feel even. By the time summer comes, your skin is have that beautiful glowing and even skin tone. This is the best cream for you. If you need one, contact me and I will ship it to you any part of the world that you are. We ship to any part of the world. So yes, that's just a little bit of the story for today. If you like this video and you want me to show you the recipe, as I said, let me know in the comment section. This is going to come to the end of my story. Yes, that's the story that I have to tell you today. I just want you to enjoy the video. I'm going to put sound under the video so you could enjoy it. But sometimes if I feel like I want to come in to tell you what actually I'm doing at a particular time, I will also say I think that would no that would be best than the music. What do you guys think? Okay, so in this place I am just adding my oil. I am preparing for my oil face. As you can see, this is a shea butter right there. You can see the amount of shea butter that is going in there. Mango has gone in there already. I think the cocoa butter also has gone in there already. And yes, these are, if you're looking for moisturizing cream, my guy, my dear, get this one, okay, get this one. So that's the oil face. Now both are ready. I'm just going to do the double boil method, put it in a water bath and on the stove, and when they all melted down, boil the oil and the water phase, and then we will come back and just start making our cream. Thank you.